The proposal to establish constitutional courts in Pakistan has sparked a lively and often emotional debate. Proponents argue that such courts are necessary for ensuring the rule of law and improving the handling of constitutional matters, while opponents fear that this move could undermine the authority of the Supreme Court and create institutional fragmentation. The timing of the proposed constitutional courts has raised eyebrows, with PTI, the largest opposition party, accusing the government of using it to keep their leader behind bars and extend an allegedly illegitimate regime. Critics claim the move is highly partisan and backed by non-political entities, fueling suspicion. What could be a positive reform is now seen as a wolf in sheep's clothing, leading to opposition from many, including the legal community. In this article, we'll break down the pros and cons of constitutional courts, how similar functions are being managed by neighboring countries like India, and look at examples from around the world.